Well, there's a sight for sore eyes. It's sunny and -11 out in Canada today. Let's see if that slant 6 old 77 Dodge Tradesman van will start. Got my battery on board and a little squirt ought to do it. Let's see what's going to happen. And the redneck key. And lots of snow. And lots of bunny tracks. And lots of junk. Oh no, not again. Anyways. Oh, even the engine's covered in snow. That'll be a good cold start video. That's the redneck gas tank over there. Oh. And see what's going to happen. Throttle's working. That ought to do. Cool. There's the key. Got the wires all crossed up to work. Push the clutch. Neutral. Fuck, that's cold. And let's see what's going to happen. Wow! Oh wow, that's unbelievable. Gas lines might be froze, but holy crap, this thing's made in Canada, for Canada obviously. That's cool. No car ever started that fast out here in the winter time. Sure wish my wipers worked. Gee. I'll give her one more squirt, got a little bit of gas left. And that's all she wrote, folks. Take 2. Ah, come on. Now what? I think that wasn't enough gas. Oh well, there's some cranking for you if you like that stuff, but she's a runner. Sweet and cool and all that. Hope you guys appreciated that, because my ass melted that seat and now I'm wet. Well, no piece of shit here. Wonderful.